All these is reasons why the hard was to take the Apocrypha out of the Bible. So what are linking too much? That is plenty too much. Well,
Right, precepts, right?
can.
Now a day come and receive palms. Then said I unto the angel, what young themselves in their hands. What young person is that from them and given themselves in their hands.
Palms in their hand. Go ahead. I think in your Revelation about palms, right?
Yes, about palms.
Right? Go ahead.
So he answered and said unto me, it is the Son of Yahweh, whom they have confessed into the world.
Who is it they? The China Israel. The elect.
Not Gino Jenner, not King James. None of them are confessing anybody.
They confess Jesus.
And that's why you will not see him.
Go ahead, huh?
Then began, I greatly.
God will not be there and keep passing him. You will be there. He will confess he knows you.
Go ahead, huh? God, yeah.
Then began I greatly to commend them that stood so stiffly for the name of Yahweh. Then the angel said unto me, go thy way and tell my people what manner of things and how great wonders of Yahweh thy power
And
thou hast seen.
that is what you have to do. Fulfilling this scripture and Ezekiel 3 and 18 was started from verse 17 to 18.
Come on to the Roman scriptures and in the Acts scriptures.
In Acts chapter 9, start at verse 13, right? This is Ananias, right? Then Ananias answered the Lord Yahweh, I have heard by many of this man, talk about Paul, how much evil he had done to thy saints at Jerusalem. And here he had authority from the chief priest to bind all that call on thy name. But the Lord said unto him, go thy way, for he is a chosen vessel unto me.
Now that takes faith.
God,
Knowing that man really was doing that.
with his death.
And then the Lord come and tell him, good idea, that is one of the children. You don't have faith in what you have faith. You don't have faith. Now this guy,
Paul was bitter.
so after this guy still did he go to see his mother. The scripture said, let it get there, he dead. You know, that's what we have to have. Some harsh, but you will have to fulfill that scripture. You will have to fulfill that scripture. If you're person in the truth and they calling that truth and things come upon them, you got to do this work. You got to put it in front of that. I'll say it again. You have to put this work in front of that. You have to. Like when they told you I'm going to shine something, I'm going to see what the water is, I'm going to take around, I'm going to see everybody else. And it's going to feel like you get there. The Lord waking up to that. The Lord waking up to that. And the scripture for when the Son of Man returns, shall he find faith?
Hey, say Acts 9 and 14 there. And here he had authority from the chief priest to bind all that call on thy name, and thy name of Yahweh Shai. Right? But the Lord said unto him, Yahweh Shai said unto him, go thy way, for he is a chosen vessel unto me, to bear my name before the Gentiles and kings and the children of Israel. And the children of Israel.
No, everybody. You know, just say everybody.
And have a phrase they call, right? Phrase is hand diacentric. Right? Hand diacentric really mean, you know, three words are talking about the same thing. Right? It's a phrase, it's a sentence that they use basically to talk about. They quote three different names, but it's the same thing it's speaking about. You go and Google it up. You know, hand diacentric.
That's how we know these Christians don't study to show this.
Gone.
At the beginning, they are not approved of the Holy Spirit.
Gone. So the Gentiles, the kings, and the children of Israel will always talk about one thing. Israel.
Because if you go to the word Gentile, if it's in the blood time, with that scripture, it shows ethnos.
Gone.
I just get the vibe, it's ethnos.
Gone. You know, for he will show, verse 6, he said, for he will show him how great things he must suffer for my name's sake. Alright, so I'll go and jump to Acts chapter 18 and 1, right?
What was the last scripture where they speak about the Gentiles?
That was Acts 9 and verse 15 here. Yeah, because you know there are many different times in the scriptures where they use different names, you know, for the children of Israel. Right, in the same sentence. Right, but you're referring to the same thing. Done.
You see? And then that's the children of close.
Done.
But it's all with reptile in there 9 and 15, that Acts 9 and 15 is ethnos, it goes back to ethnicity. It goes back to the children of Israel.
Right, so Acts chapter 18 and 1, it says, after these things, Paul departed from Athens and came to Corinth, right, and found a certain Jew named Aquila, born in Pontus, right, lately come from Italy, right, he came from Italy, right, Aquila, yeah, right, he came from Italy, right, when Cornelius was from the what, Italian band, right, with his wife Priscilla.
Now this Salak here, now this is the thing here. You all will read these things and pass over it. Alright, you all will read these things and pass over it. And use a cognitive dissonance and say, no, it don't mean that. What does that actually means? You can't go back to the Acts 1:5 about Christian, go down the list.
Right. I'll read it again. Acts 1:5 said they were dwelling in Jerusalem, Jews vote men out of every nation and out of heaven to go down with it. Sorry, now when this was noise abroad within the word of God, the multitude came together and were confounded, because that every man heard them speak in his own language.
Right, everybody speaking their own language, but yet still understanding each other. Go ahead, continue. None.
Right, verse 7. And they were all amazed and marveled, saying one to another, behold, and not all these which speak Galilean, Christian, and how hear we every man in our own tongue, wherein we were born, like a question.
Right? Everybody, because you see what's going on, they're born outside of the nation, outside of the country, the land mass of Israel. Alright? But the thing is, they are still Israelite, because why? Israel or Jerusalem is a people before a place. How did the word Israel or Yashala come about? Alright? Who was named Israel? Was it the land or was it the man?
That means God loved you so much. You said that the much man upon the God really can really say that he deserved God's love. God.
Continue.
Those guys, he said Parthians and Medes.
Right, Persians and Medes, right? Go ahead.
Right, and Medes and Elamites.
Elamites, right?
Because the gospel all over so.
Yeah.
And the dwellers of Mesopotamia, and in Judea, and in Cappadocia, in Pontus, and in Asia. You see, and they started calling him in Pamphylia here.
Pamphylia,
yeah. Right? And in Egypt, and in parts of Libya, about Cyrene.
Right, that is how Salafi, and that is how we know for a fact the man who helped Yahweh Shai left his cross, he was an Israelite. Alright? Well,
and the strangers of Rome, Jews,
and you know that, the point of, and
right, let me take my time and read this.
And the
strangers of Rome.
And the strangers of Rome. Let me go to that.
And our word strangers, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's Gerasham.
Well, let me see what it's saying in the New Testament.
New Testament, in the Greek.
Yeah, or in the Greek, right?
Yeah, Lord was sheepfold. And Lord never put pigs in the sheepfold. He was trying to bring pigs on the sheep. Whatever disease that pig had, he was spread it to the sheep and kill the sheep.
It's unclean thing.
So how you put that different? That's why the scripture says that he may know to differentiate between from the other. That goes back into the law.
I see what you know. I used to mean
and then Paul said that's not what you know.
Right? Which we have, right? So going to strangers, right? In Acts 2 I think it's 9. Alright, 2 and 10. Alright, the strangers of Rome, right? To be present amongst one's people in one city or one native land. alright, to be a sojourner, alright, of a foreign resident among any people in any country.
Anywhere.
In any country. Alright? Let me see if I can get some more here. Alright? The people, the mass of people assembled in a public place. Let's go into something else. See here now. Let's go into something. Alright? So we see who it's speaking about. Alright, the strangers of Rome. So go back to the same.
Acts 18 and verse 2 say, and found a certain Jew named Aquila, born in Pontus, lately come from Italy.
Go ahead.
With his wife, so he was what he was sojourning, right? With his wife Priscilla, because that Claudius had commanded all Jews to depart from Rome.
Alright, they were deporting all the Jews.
And they were deporting them for doing the same thing that we do
But
right
yeah,
now.
that was not going to answer to one up.
Because the doctrine begins to grow, and this is carrying that people are their wives and look at the other rebellion.
Yeah.
Let them go back to the place.
Let them go where they come from.
Yeah.
Let them go where they come from. Alright? Somebody give me James 1:1. Anybody? James 1:1.
Look at James chapter 1:1. James is servant of Yahweh and of the Lord Yahweh Shai to the 12 tribes which are scattered abroad greeting.
To the 12 tribes which are scattered abroad. Alright? The scripture talks about where he hide us. Where he hide us amongst the Moabites. Alright? You have Israelites all over the face of the earth. That not all looking as so-called Negroes. Look at a lot of the Hispanic, the so-called Hispanic tribes. Watch them. The scripture talk about Ephraim is like a cape unturned.
What would you say about the Ephraimites?
Right? Cornelius wasn't no blasted, no heathen.
So all you Israelites are pushing that all the doctrine.
Them in the whole class by themselves.
Both sides dealing with that. Both sides dealing. And I was you trying to limit the works of the Abashini outside, rather than working for.
Right?
And the big power of the Abashini outside, don't think like that. We talk about
Can't. We've been scattered through the four corners of the earth. And not only through the transatlantic and the sub-Saharan, but captivities that predated that. We still have people in Iraq. We still have people in Yemen, Iran, Saudi Arabia.
Just here, they have a brother from Saudi Arabia.
Oh yeah.
He agent. Because the thing is, in Saudi Arabia, this year, they already preached that out in the open, just to the strict laws and whatnot. But
In Saudi Arabia, was it strict?
huh?
In Saudi Arabia, was it strict?
You understand?
There are laws against women doing things, much less for a man.
What's that for a man coming out?
Doctrine at the front doctrine.
Yeah, different doctrine. Are you coming up against
You
Muhammad?
could tell the shiki go and be a slave.
Yeah. Oh, when? When?
But this is here.
Nah, he was an agent. He's a literal agent. You know? Bug out and all kind of shit. He get exposed. The apostle Ariam Lab and Yashua exposed that. You know? So, we have people all over. We have brothers in Australia. You know? We have people all over preaching the school. Nobody tall brother from the London camp. The tall, look like an Edomite. Tall guy. Right? He looks like an Edomite. Or you don't know Edomite is a chip. No Edomite in pushing Yeah. And you mean to tell me I had a bow to these niggas? Yeah. Yeah, the complex about them. Yeah? When I go to give me the apocrypha there. Go share some here. Where you read them some here. Bring it out. And then you come with us. Yeah, you bring it out. Go ahead.
Acts chapter 26 and verse 6 it says, and now I stand, this is the Apostle Paul talking to Agrippa, and now I stand and am judged for the hope of the promise made unto Yahweh unto our fathers. Right? That promise. Right?
So I can't go back and talk, yeah?
Right, Acts 26 and 6. And now I stand and am judged. So Paul talking to Agrippa, right? For the hope of the promise made of Yahweh unto our fathers.
Unto our fathers. Personal pronoun. Alright? Brother.
Unto which promise our 12 tribes. Right, you talk about 12 tribes, eh? You talk about, no, you might say the word Gentiles, you say the 12 tribes.
Or he said the tribe of Amalek.
Gone.
Or the tribe of Timon. You understand?
You say the 12 tribes. Gone.
Or for covers of Amalekite, he don't get exposed to the Amalekite.
Gone. John Mark Riser.
Yeah, that name Riser alone.
That's a real.
Solomon.
And you guys
God. Unto which promise our 12 tribes. So all of them talk about the Apostle Paul, the Apostle to the Gentiles. Them Gentiles was Israelites. You know?
let's bring up precept.
Yeah, go ahead.
God.
Guys, they got no understanding, man.
But if you will not spare thee, then take with thee one or two more, that in the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses every word may be established. And if he shall neglect to hear them, tell it unto the church. But if he shall neglect to hear the church, let him be unto thee as an heathen man.
As a what?
As an heathen man and a publican. Never see what Israelites as an heathen. So you have Israelites who are Hellenistic because what? They're born and raised in one country and in the group. Understand? They are heathens because how they live as heathens. Understand?
And it's the same thing in Acts chapter 10 and several points.
Guys, where the Christian coming?
Yeah.
So some of my people shall perish for a lack of knowledge. Them 2/3 are Hellenists. Most of the time, it will be the majority of the people is going to be Hellenists. People who do not know that they are Israelites.
Correct, and that happened for all of us before we come into this truth.
God,
you know?
we would have been in that we were Hellenists.
Yeah,
we were Hellenists.
God.
The scripture says he will watch them.
God, we watch them. I don't know nothing about Passover. You cannot tell me about eating karate. When you eat karate, you not scared.
Yeah.
You understand? You cannot make me have a tired. You cannot make me have to for a whole day.
If you tell him what happened, if you tell him what happened, no, yeah, that's all it got. That's how it used to be. Right, people all about carnality. All about carnalism, right? Can. Acts 26 and verse 7, unto which promise our 12 tribes instantly serving Yahweh day and night hope to come.
To what?
Hope to come. For which hope's sake, King Agrippa, I am accused of the Jews.
Now watch this, right? Now Christians have tried to use that as Paul tried to offer salvation unto
Agrippa.
No. Unto Agrippa, right?
Yeah.
So no. Because you're seeing here now where Paul separated him. You understand? And like, you know, who's accusing man, but not so forth. I come to these people. I come to these people to try to show these people where's the whole situation, why they're in this and whatnot, so forth, and bring them back to the heritage. You understand? And these people, they reject me, they want to kill me. They're plotting against me.
Gone, and he tell you, she played the 12 tribes.
Romans 9. And what you said? When you go and read Romans 9, a matter of fact, the last chapter in the book of Acts, The last chapter in the book of Acts, for you dumb Christians, when you read the last chapter in the book of Acts, especially from verse, I want to read it, but let's follow the verse. Acts 20. 28, but I want to get the proper verse. When I start to read even from verse 17, right? But really from 25. Acts 28, 25, go straight down. Alright? Coming into Romans 1 again to see who literally Paul is speaking to, where the Romans is concerned. You literally get to see who Paul's speaking to. Right? From there now is where you will get your proper context, as you always say, and you will get the understanding.
What Paul said, the 12 tribes, right? I think in James we read that the 12 tribes was scattered, right?
Right, James 1:1, right?
Scattered abroad, right? What Yahushua say? Yahushua didn't say you have sheep of another fold. Right? I think that's John 10 and 16. Right? You have sheep of another fold. Who them sheep? Wasn't talking about only guns. Right?
Right? Even Yahweh say what? He will give us his laws and not on his name unto a foolish nation, a foolish people. Right? Which is who? The surely is talking about these other days, talking about the ones who have been scattered. You know, who lost out, who had lost out at the beginning. You know, when I say lost out, you know, the lost, the true heritage and what have you.
What's the sense?
Can't.
I say eternal, this will wise and eternal light. You know, it says people don't touch.
Yeah, bring it up.
See, book of John chapter 10 verse 16.
Yeah.
Other sheep I have, which are not of this fold.
Right? Other sheep I have, which are not of this fold, which are not of these self-righteous, you know, these self-righteous Israelites, you know, the scribes and the Pharisees and these guys.
Yeah, another word to say to be right in man eyes.
Yeah.
For men to see
For men, yeah.
To be approved of men.
Men, yeah. Word.
Them also I must bring, and they shall hear my voice, and there shall be one fold and one shepherd.
Right? They will hear his voice and there will be one fool and one shepherd. Right? Okay. Go ahead. Go down to 17 and then I will go back.
Therefore, with my father loved me, because I laid down my life that I might take it again.
Right? She's about another fool, man.
And that's where your point Apostle Paul from.
Right? To go into the Gentiles. To people like Cornelius and what have you. To bring them in. Because the ones who know that there was Israelites, alright, they still, even after the death of the Messiah, they were still rejecting the man. Alright, they were still rejecting him. They were still rejecting Yahushua. Right, so Paul said, because all they don't want it, alright, we're going to force to go into the Gentiles, to the ones who are the teach from scratch, and they
teach from milk.
Can.
Understand? To the ones who already know law and know what's supposed to know.
Yeah, who don't want it.
Yeah, we Barnabas.
Who swallow it now, yeah.
Yeah, that's no problem. I will go and teach the little ones.
Yeah, that was spiritual to people, they're more humble.
Man, the more humble because they do not know. So they say, you know what?
Yeah.
For real? They'll teach you what is sweet then. True, right? So what's supposed to do with that if you're the middle of you?
Yeah.
You know this kind of way? Why I can't this and why I can't that? That is why he say something about the children and the worship. Okay?
For the little children to come unto me. For theirs is the kingdom. Right? And that makes sense. Yeah.
From the milk, once you have to win from milk to meat.
And in the same way, tell Nicodemus what? Tell Nicodemus, you have need to go back in your mother woman born again. But he wasn't talking physical and carnal.
He was talking about your mind.
Talking
about knowing nothing, unlearn everything you know so far. and relearn this week.
But I'm sure that he need a position, but he doesn't need a position. It seems that his Christ and Pharisees, they thought that he knew Paul, so they didn't need to teach him. So now he gone up to the Gentiles, which is the
God.
It was so hard not to freaking understand, boy. It was so hard not to understand. As I always say, you take rocket science and trigonometry. And trigonometry, always in add maths and when you extra maths again.
True, man, it's true. Maths or pure maths, but if I want to pure maths, I'm higher than that.
Yeah, pure maths.
I hear about that, a big man. I don't know like a smart. I hear about that. I do not know about that.
Look at that. I know there's something. Pure maths.
Pure maths.
Papa. They don't take none of them things.
Rocket science.
Yeah. They don't take none of them things. And aerodynamics and all them kind of They don't take none of them things, boy.
Simplicity of the gospel, boy. Simplicity of the gospel to confound beyond why this world.
Give me romance. No romance. No, you are the finish of this. You are the finish of this. Give me 1 Corinthians chapter 1, start from verse 20. When you done there, when you're actually done. You're more or less done?
Yeah.
Alright, so bring it out. 1 and 20.
1 Corinthians chapter 1 and verse 20.
Go ahead.
Where is the wise?
Where's the what?
Where is the wise?
Yeah, to you pastors and whatnot, so forth, what's the modern day scribes and Pharisees? Alright? Where's the wise? Go ahead.
Where is the scribe?
Where is the scribe? Go ahead.
Where is the disputer of this world?
Right? Where is you all want to dispute the things of this world here? Alright, which is a wicked Christian doctrine. Alright? To try to establish it and say that it's taking foothold. Alright? Go ahead.
Hath not Yahweh made foolish the wisdom of this world?
Have not Yahweh Bashim Yahshua made foolish the wisdom of this world here. The understanding of this world. Alright? Which goes into what? Into carnality. The scripture talks about to be carnally minded is dead. That is in Romans 8, right? Right? Go ahead.
For after that in the wisdom of Yahweh, the world by wisdom used not Yahweh.
Alright? Because why? A lot of them tend to reject the wisdom of Yahweh. Who write that book? You sure it about he do this? I remember the Egyptian god. They were come to by his Atum boy. But when they go and research Atum, and his recordings of creation, Atum and fly kite. Yeah, Atum and other topic they claim. No, when they go and read Egyptology, and everybody called Atum. Atum fly kite.
Yeah,
and drink his seed and spit it back out, and from there everything started to spring up. Never swallowing that. Never swallowing that, boy.
When anybody planted rap to you,
Nibiru. Yeah.
They rather believe it.
Yeah. Niggas. Where up? See why you have a shooting shot going to kill you niggas in the worst way possible. In the worst you niggas, and you spit and you wet backs. Yeah?
They rather believe fables.
Them those niggas. Go ahead, continue.
For after that in the wisdom of Yahweh, the word by wisdom used not Yahweh.
Word by wisdom, this word here by wisdom, because why? They rather lean on their own understanding.
Can't. What expressive thing after that?
Yeah, go ahead. Read.
It pleased Yahweh by the foolishness of preaching to save them that believe.
I can read that one no way.
You said what?
It pleased Yahweh by the foolishness of preaching to save them that believe.
Right? It pleased Yahweh by the foolishness of preaching, because when you go to somebody got from a man, I think it's 1 Corinthians 4 and 9. Let's hold it right here. 1 Corinthians 4 and 9. Let me see why foolishness by taking foolishness of Yahweh.
1 Corinthians 4 and verse 9. For I think that power had sent forth us, the apostles, last.
Correct, it's right, go ahead.
As it were appointed to death. For we are made a spectacle.
For we are what?
For we are made a spectacle.
Yeah, a show now, but everybody watching we, you know?
Pass me like if you're animals in the zoo.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
Go ahead, read.
Unto the world, unto angels, unto men.
Alright, unto angels. Alright? Because the angel guy to see the angels thing and the recording and the reporting, right? Tell you how about your shy, right? That's why it is highly important for you guys to do the works, man. You going 8 and 9 months without doing a video and all them kind of thing and missing the works and all them kind of like, and that ain't bothering you, right? That ain't bothering you. Do the works. And that goes for everybody in this camp here. Do the works. Continue on.
We are fools for Mashiach's sake.
We are what?
We are fools for Mashiach's sake.
We are fools for the Mashiach's sake because they just look at me like you know, like these bums. We is nothing. Right? When they go to Surah 5, where it talks about the strangeness of the Surah, or is it Solomon? Right? When they talk about the strangeness of salvation, when they say what? The fools come to their life as madness. Come to their life as madness.
You can sit down right there and you'll see them watching us. Just pass right there and watch it. You can see the looks on their face. Yeah, you can see it. That's how they think. They say, what's that madman for?
Right? So, read all that thing again and then you want to go back. I want to.
We are fools for Mashiach's sake, but we are wise in Mashiach.
But we are what?
We are wise in Mashiach.
We are wise in a Mashiach. Go a little bit again. Go to the full stop.
We are weak, but we are strong.
Right? We weak because we know how that true spirit, but that's a spiritual power, that spiritual force, you know? That's that.
We don't fall power. We just still fall on the name and allow things to happen, ask for things to happen.
We can't do that. Right. To water cap.
We are honorable, but we are despised.
Right? We are honorable in the eyes of Yahweh, but we despise amongst these
Eyes of men.
eyes of men and to neighbors. So go back to the scripture there, read back that little piece there again and continue.
First Corinthians 1 and 10. Continue. That please Yahweh by the foolishness of preaching to save them that believe.
To save them that believe. Go ahead.
For the Jew require a sign, and the Greeks seek after wisdom.
Right? The Jews require a sign. What shall we go to? When I was trying to tell them, there's no sign. You understand? Bring it out.
Bring no sign. Yeah.
Bring it out. Somebody bring it out.
I think like Matthew 16 or 15.
No sign for this generation.
Precept upon precept, line upon line. Here a little, there a little.
And they can actually see the evil spirit.
When you confound you Christians, man.
If they don't see a sign,
This week I talk to some man there. He say, but show me a sign. I want to have a sign, but I see this one cast out demon, I see this one do that. Show me a sign. I say, you sign again, then you sign that you know where. Yeah, preaching.
Book of Matthew chapter 16 and 4. The wicked and the wicked and adulterous generation seeking after a sign.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Wicked and adulterous generation seeking after a sign. Right.
And there shall no sign be given unto it.
And what did the Lord say no sign will be given? If he give them sign and not still
You get them all kind of sign out of Egypt. And these niggas still didn't care.
Yeah, so
You don't still give them a sign. Back in second is just 9, where you see when you see these
signs they still wouldn't take heed and they wouldn't believe. Yeah,
They wouldn't repent.
Next thing is the plagues too. The plague will send forward repentance too.
And they still ain't going to repent.
They still ain't going to repent.
Freaking niggas, but.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It says, and there shall no sign be given unto it, but the sign of the prophet Jonas, and he left them and departed.
The what?
And he left them and departed.
What Jonas did by? All Jonas did is come and Preach. That's all. That's all shown us then. So go back to the scripture, the Corinthians. Go back to the Corinthians. Where it said the Jews require a sign and the Greeks what wisdom? 21. Yeah, 21.
For the Jews require a sign, and the Greeks seek after knowledge, and seek after wisdom.
Why the Greeks seek after wisdom? Alright? Because they're coming back to the heritage, because Paul went on to them and there was very enthusiastic concerning the doctrine. Go ahead now.
Romans 10 from 14. How then shall they call on him in whom they have not believed? And how shall they believe in him of whom they have not heard? And how shall they hear without a preacher?
And what?
And how shall they hear without a preacher? And how shall they preach except they be sent? As it is written, how beautiful are they, how beautiful are the feet of them that preach the gospel of peace and bring glad tidings of good things.
Right? Right, so go ahead do you want to say something?
I just want to say something because
Go ahead.
the scriptures talk about different gifts, and he said the greatest gift is prophecy. Right? Now it casting out demons and miracles, all that is good.
Why is prophecy the greatest gift?
Prophecy is the most important gift for the building up and edifying of the flock and the building of faith.
And not only that too, because it is the spirit of Yahweh Shai. Because Yahweh Shai is the spirit of prophecy.
So the Lord said if you seek anything, seek the gift of prophecy. Seek the gift of prophecy. And that's why he answered them so. That's why Yahweh Shai answered them so. They were always looking for a sign because they carnal. But Yahweh Shai is spiritual. Right? By his words is what is consumed. These words is powerful. We might not understand it now, but these words pulling down this kingdom.
Right? Because by the weapons of our warfare are not what? Carnal, boy. So continue there.
1 Corinthians 1 and 23. But we preach Yahweh Shai crucified, unto the Jews a stumbling block, and unto the Greeks foolishness. But unto them which are called, both Jew and Greeks, Yahweh Shai, the power of Yahweh, and the wisdom of Yahweh, because of the foolishness of Yahweh is wiser than men, and the weakness of Yahweh is stronger than men. For ye see your calling, brethren, how that not many wise men after the flesh, not many mighty, not many noble are called.
Not what? Not many mighty and not many noble are called.
That go back to something I thought an aspect of humility. And brother was talking about coming back as a child, coming back as a babe. Done. You know, a baby blanca, everything you gotta be taught. And a baby now willing to be taught. But if you believe that you're wise in this world, and they come foolish. Ghana.
I have one more scripture to look at.
One scripture that bring out about the simplicity of the gospel.
Let's finish off that, or let's go bring all that they bring on. Because what Kyle, I need for Kyle to bring all that, they finish off with that one as well.
But Yahweh choosing the foolish things of the world to confound the wise.
You choose the what?
Foolish things of the world.
Simplest thing. Because foolish means simple, right?
Simple, yeah.
Simplest thing. My son, come for Israel.
Yeah.
What are you with Yahweh? Simplest thing. It's written, they are not sent except unto Israel. All of my people, David. David. In the house of David. And the foolishness.
And Yahweh had chosen the weak things of the world to confound the things which are mighty.
Right? Use what? The big things are confirmed. That's why according to me, say with this word pulling down governmental stronghold and all that. That's a simple word.
The doctrine of teaching us a governmental stronghold, you know?
That's this word pulling it down. Yeah, you have this one want to bomb that one want to invade that one, this one want to kill that one. All kind of things this word doing. Alright, that's done at it.
And base things of the world.
And base things. They look at us as nothing. We are nothing. Base things of the world, go ahead.
And things which are despised.
And things which are what?
Despised.
the scripture say they hate the man who prove any hate, right? Yeah.
Base thing that I despise, but
And Yahweh chooses yea and things which are not to bring to those things that are. Things that is nothing to bring to things that are.
right now we the nation of Israel, we are down like nothing. But he's going to bring it to things that are. Alright, so more or less two small scriptures on that bring it up.
Bring this one out quickly. This is 2 Corinthians chapter 11 and verse 2. I say, for I am jealous over you with a godly jealousy. For I have espoused you to one husband, that I may present you as a chaste.
So what you reading it?
2 Corinthians 11.
Like New Testament, right?
New Testament,
so,
yeah.
Read all back here.
Right, let me start at verse 1, right? 2 Corinthians 11 and verse 1. Would to God he could bear with me a little in my folly. Right? Say the folly you talking about, right? And indeed bear with me. Right? For I am jealous over you with godly jealousy.
Who is that he's speaking to or speaking about? Who was he married on to?
Who he trying to over?
Oh, frick, man. All these,
Who he says he's a bridegroom to?
all these things you see in here and still going and pass over and know everybody. Boy, I try my best to hold my tongue, yes? Well,
For I am jealous over you with a godly jealousy. For I have espoused you to one husband, that I may present you as a chaste virgin to Yahweh Shai HaMashiach.
Did he do that to the whole world?
No.
Well,
But I fear lest by any means, as the serpent beguiled Eve through his subtlety, right? Subtlety, yeah. I go into holy wisdom too, right? So your mind should be corrupted from the simplicity that is in Yahweh Shai HaMashiach. And he's talking about the simplicity in the gospel, how simple it is to break down the scripture precept upon precept and getting full understanding.
That is why he scripture say that the best commandment.
God.
Just not do it.
God. And they all how they corrupted, and the mind corrupted earlier. The mind corrupted, right? So your mind should be corrupted from the simplicity that is in Yahweh Shai HaMashiach. For if he that cometh preacheth another Yahweh Shai, whom ye have not preached, or if ye receive another spirit, which ye have not received, or another gospel,
Jesus!
everybody can make it.
Jesus!
Right?
Only Jesus!
Blood.
Blood of Jesus!
Say that, blood of Jesus.
I say correct.
Say correct, blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus!
That's it. Blood.
Blood of Jesus!
That's covered in the blood.
Yes,
You're already
yeah,
covered in the blood.
Yeah, blood of
You're
Jesus.
already covered in the blood. You're already prophesying.
And they say, and God say, so because you have not eaten blood, I'll prepare you unto blood. And blood shall pursue you.
Pursue you, yeah.
Yes, they're covered in blood, but different kind of blood.
That is it.
Yeah, right?
And that was the Lord of the
You don't have to laugh at it.
God,
You don't have to laugh at it. Oh gosh, when?
God, when you receive another spirit which you have not received, or another gospel which you have not accepted, he might well bear with him. For I suppose I was not with behind the very chiefest apostles. And he just go on to be talking about, we do in speech and whatnot. He's talking, right? But that's the point. The point is, the simplicity and the gospel.
Anybody come and tell about Jesus? Any of you? Sit up here. Any one of you Hebrew Israelites, who pursuing the gospel of Jesus Christ? Hey, stay far, stay something wrong, but stay far from that. But don't deal with nobody who come and tell about the blood of Jesus and Jesus and partiality. The kind of partiality within Israel. Yeah? The Most High God is that's what it was. I think it's yesterday. Elder Karatazar was bringing out, I watching a video where he was dealing with an Edomite and he showed you how the Most High is a racist. The Most High talking about the Most High letting when a cattle or any animal, that die, we is not to eat it. But that's not. But you give it to the heathens.
It's not just our sacrifice. It's not.
cannot take pig. You cannot take pig from making the sheep right.
How?
You will kill the sheep.
God.
Yeah.
God.
If you become a farmer and you put pig in sheep pen with the pig, eventually pig down, the sheep will die. Because their nature is not of that. So you can bring people, that was the scripture says that we shall differentiate from
The scripture says he will separate the sheep from the goat. The scripture says, no, when you learn unto your neighbor, don't use
take any heathen. You take any heathens and bring them into our food.
Satanism.
No what the
Antichrist spirit.
Right? The scripture talk about not using usury with unto your own people when you lend them money, which is what interests now, I don't think, right? But unto the other nations, use usury with them. You understand? Give them heavy interest. Right? A brother lend you 200. I mean, well, you lend a brother 200, 300. You look for a $40 or a $60 on the 100. Right? So come on the last scripture there. What are to hold? This is for you Christians here. All you wicked Christians. Go ahead.
You know that, right? You know that, right? My friend, you know that, right? Christianity does not apply to the devil. You look like, you don't want to hear that.
You look like a poor for poor. You look like a poor for poor.
You don't want to hear that.
You look like Jesus himself. Jesus. Yeah. Jesus Christus. Jesus Christus. Jesus Christus.
Oh, mi amor.
Ezra chapter 3, verse 31.
Well,
I do not remember how this way may be left. Are they then of Babylon better than they of Zion?
right, see what Ezra specifically said. Where?
Or is there any other people that know it beside Israel?
Or is there any other people that know it besides Israel? Go ahead.
Or what generation have so believed thy covenants as Jacob?
Read that.
And yet their reward appeareth not.
Right, and yet their reward appeareth not, right? Which is what the kingdom of heaven, because you see the thing is, everything is for time. Right? It's not the time yet. Let's see, I did a video on that and all. Concerning the times. Alright? Everything has to come into it, everything has to take its course. Alright? Where up?
And their labor hath no fruit. For I have gone here and here to the heathens, and I see that they flow in wealth.
And it seems that what?
They flow in wealth.
Yeah, they have more than the eyes could wish for. Psalm 73. Yeah, the eyes could want to fatness. Where up?
And they think upon thy commandments, and think not upon thy commandments.
And they don't think about because Bible wasn't given unto them, so they can care less. They do like them Pakistan's die.
Yeah,
Let's eat, you understand, and consume. Well,
Where thou therefore wickedness come in the balance, and there is also that dwell in the world.
right? We weigh our wickedness and their wickedness in the balance. Us and them in the world, right? Well,
And so shall thy name nowhere be found of in
I
Israel.
go back to Isaiah 63.
right? Right? Well,
Yeah.
For when was it that they which dwell upon the earth have not sinned in thy sight? Or what people have so kept thy commandments?
what people have so kept thy commandments? What? Well,
Thou shalt find that Israel by name,
Israel by who?
by name,
Israel by what?
by name,
Well,
hath kept thy precepts,
Uh-huh.
but not the heathen.
but not the what?
But not the heathen.
But not the heathen. Because this wasn't given unto them. Here it is. The Most High then showing it to you, because I asked a Christian the other day, it's all the prophecies in the Old Testament come to fulfill. He gave my genetics. I don't know. I don't know. Right? Here it is. The Most High have prophecies in the scriptures here that hasn't been fulfilled. Alright? Which is what? Ask of me and I shall give the heathen for your inheritance. Alright? These heathens are going into slavery. Alright? These heathens going into slavery. But yet still, you want to come to give me another doctrine. Alright? that is contrary to the prophecy. And I expect for me to go with that. Alright? These heathens going into slavery. Two of these heathens going into slavery. Alright? Then how could he come to contradict himself and say, well, everybody could be saved?
I said doctrine of devils.
Nobody prepares for that for himself. Nobody prepares for that picture. So what about that?
What about the scripture saying that sin is a righteous thing with your power to reconcile?
And that New Testament.
And you talking about old, only prophecy in the Old Testament. I don't remember the New Testament.
What a bunch of dumb fools, man.
What I mean, New Testament will be done in the make it.
The Old Testament and our years.
What a bunch of fools. Cornelius was an Israelite. Alright? They had Israelites dwelling in Rome. Israelites dwelling all through the four corners of the earth. Alright? The gospel was only to Israel, for Israel, by Israel. Alright? And salvation strictly pertains unto the nation of Israel.
Right.
Yeah, bring on our last piece of advice.
Bring the pig.
Yeah, Isaiah 45 and 17. Where's that again?
Do not bring the pig to the sheepfold.
Yeah, don't bring them stinking Africans. And all them other stink nation.
Yeah, they represent the pigs and the goats. The Israelites get the sheep.
Can.
This is Isaiah chapter 45 and verse 17.
Bring it out. Last scripture.
But Israel,
But what?
but Israel shall be saved in Yahweh with an everlasting salvation.
With a what?
With an everlasting salvation.
With an everlasting salvation.
God,
Well,
ye shall not be ashamed, nor confounded,
know what?
nor confounded